पॉइंट देख, बाकी बीच में घंटा देखने की जरूरत नहीं है। स्लो सामने लड़की खड़ी है, उसको ये भाग रहा है। लो ओके ना
या ओके ओके हाँ पिया पिया
खत्म हो
पूरा पूरा पिया।
तू भी गिरा।
Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am heading towards Thane for the KTM Adventure event. The reaching time over there is 7 o'clock. It's almost 6:33 and as per the Google Maps it's showing 43 minutes that it would take for me to reach the place. So let's reach the place and see who all have come. This is the KTM Adventure Day.
आ रहे हैं मैडम।
ये सामने वाले में।
हाँ ठीक है थैंक्स देवा।
Be only.
So basically now we all gonna point at different laugh.
No.
Yeah, okay.
फोटो के लिए रे, फोटो के लिए। ऐसा क्या तुम टेंशन ले रहा है?
Okay, jokes apart. First thing first, this is gonna be a common occurrence. Get used to it. Bike is going to fall. In most cases, it will be at a very job-dead speed like this, where you can. But there could be a possibility that you will fall at a really higher speed, and you might not be as lucky. So you might have a leg stuck under the bike. Okay. So best is to always when you fall, throw your leg out, and your body out of the falling motorcycle. Okay, left or right. Just throw yourself out because your speeds are slower than road models. So you have the time to quickly eject yourself out of the seat. Okay, so always keep that escape route. When you're falling off a motorcycle, throw yourself out, get off the motorcycle. Okay, so that your leg doesn't get stuck under the bike and hurt you anywhere. Okay, now picking up the motorcycle, basic fundamental first thing is you turn off the engine. Okay, sometimes finding a key will be difficult because you have a phone mount, you have a GPS mount, some 10 things are there on the handlebar. That's why you have the kill switches. Okay, so don't try to search for a ignition, just kill the bike. Okay, simple. First thing first. Second thing, do not panic. Everybody panic, gets up, like right now he got up and just went, yeah, down. First thing you do is, take a breath, take a present, breathe and calm yourself down, check if you're okay.
Last time I slapped my bicep muscle. Previous.
Exactly. See? So don't. You first check yourself. Okay, am I okay? Is my back okay? Are all my limbs working fine? Am I hurt anywhere? Is anything broken on me? No. Then you keep water. What you do? Keep water.
I did already.
Then you check for ceramic
So
coating.
basically keep water. Get it done comfortably. You have restored. Now today we are doing this on a controlled environment. We have space, we have people, but that won't be the case when you're by your friends out on a small trail. You might not have all that space. You might be riding for all day and this might happen at the end of the day when you're already exhausted, right? So you might not have that energy. So don't panic, don't gather up your energy. If you're in the mountains, putting a bike on the main stand is a task. Forget picking a motorcycle with all the luggage on it, right? So that's why you also need friends company. अगर पैर नीचे नीचे अटका है or you have too much luggage, you can't pick it up by yourself. Basic rule of picking up the bike is you hold this here, okay? You have this. A lot of times you have luggage. Okay, if you have luggage, you can't find the grab rail because your saddlebag or top box, something over here will restrict you from this. So you pick up the luggage. You find the anchor point on the luggage somewhere, like a bungee hook or a luggage strap, something that gives you leverage. Okay, that's when you do it, and then you do this. Okay, 3, 2. No, let it be. 3, 2. Then you push you from your lower back again. Okay, and you hold it like this. Okay. Learn the art of holding the bike at its absolute balance. A lot of YouTube will tell you, stand लगाओ, ये करो, वो करो. Fine, fair enough. It is there. But on the real world places you ride, there could be a mountain on the other side which will not allow you to put a stand. There could be a rock. There could be a deep stand where the stand will not be employed. Real world scenario doesn't tell you all this. Okay? So you have to be prepared for that. So the best is if you can practice to balance the bike like this when you pick it up. And you do this, just hang on. Be a side stand to the motorcycle otherwise. Again, breathe. Restore your energy. Because the more tired you try to get, and the more tired you get and try to fix things, the more mess will happen. If the bike at this point goes in the back, as soon as I picked it up, trust me, unless you're
बाकी बीच में घंटा देखने की जरूरत नहीं है। स्लो सामने लड़की खड़ी है उसको जाना।
या ओके ओके हाँ पिया पिया पूरा पूरा पिया।
तू भी गिरा?
नहीं मैं नहीं गिरा।
अभी मेरे को चालू हो जाएंगे देख थोड़े टाइम में। जितना स्वेटिंग होगा ना स्टार्ट ईटिंग ना एल कार्नाटाइक।
ठीक है
मतलब जब भी बड़े राइड पे जाओगे ना गेट कार्नाटाइक एल कार्नाटाइक इट्स लाइक इट्स काइंड ऑफ फैट बर्नर और तेरा मसाला ना
ओके
इट्स गुड नो साइड इफेक्ट नथिंग
चलेगा चलो बाय।
चलो बाय।
So I'm done with the adventure day, going back home. It's almost 1:50. Approximately 45 minutes it would take for me to reach my home. It's too hot right now, so I'll just end this video over here. You can follow me on my Instagram ID. My ID is silentbike_kv. Chalo, bye bye.